Ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance with the official Uniswap wallet? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through exactly how to get the Uniswap wallet on your phone so you can store, send, and receive crypto and NFTs and access to Fi, all in one place. First, head over to the official Uniswap website using the link in the description. This ensures you're downloading the genuine app from the Uniswap website. Select the appropriate download link for your device, whether you're iOS or Android. This will take you directly to the App Store. Tap Install or Get, depending on your App Store, and wait for the download to complete. Once the app is downloaded, open it. You'll be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If this is your first time, select create a new wallet. The next step is crucial. The Uniswap wallet will generate a secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your phone. So write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Never share it with anyone. The app will then ask you to verify your phrase to ensure you had it correctly recorded. And that's it. You now have the Uniswap wallet on your phone. You can now explore its features, such as sending and receiving crypto, buying, selling, and trading. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tutorials.